Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days. Today it's just a quick little video on a quick way to make a simple apple pie. Now these are wonton wrappers and I'm just putting them in my Pampered Chef little mini muffin pan. And all I'm doing, I sprayed the pan so they wouldn't stick, and all I'm doing is sticking them down in there. We're going to come back with a dollop of cream cheese. This is my canned apples that I did. I'm going to put a little spoonful of apples. I'm going to put a touch of brown sugar and cinnamon in there. And then we're going to close the tops and put butter across the tops of them. We're going to bake them for 8 to 10 minutes in a 400-degree oven. I put about half a teaspoon of cream cheese in each of the wonton wrappers. Next, I sprinkled cinnamon on top of the cream cheese. I added a pinch of brown sugar to each cup. I added about a teaspoon of apples, and these were apples that I canned. You can use apple butter, you can use applesauce, whatever you want. They will taste like a mini apple pie. I dampened my fingers and I squeezed the tops over, folded each of the four corners over, and now we're going to drizzle them with butter. All right, we're done. We're fixing to pop them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Our mini apple pies are out of the oven. We're going to take them out, put them on a Pampered Chef baking rack. I'm adding the Pampered Chef silicone mat because I'm going to sprinkle powdered sugar across the top of them. So guys, there you have the mini apple pies. So I'm going to grab a cup of coffee, eat a couple of these mini apple pies, and just enjoy the afternoon. I'm having a Pampered Chef online party. It is coming up. I'll put the information in the description if you're interested. It's going to be on Facebook. Danny's daughter Jennifer is the host, and she is the Pampered Chef queen. She has everything Pampered Chef. I have a lot of it. As you can see, I have the mini muffin pan that I've used today. I've got the wire rack and the silicone mat. Guys, I got a lot of Pampered Chef, and I love using it. So, mini apple pies and a Pampered Chef party. Join me on Facebook. Bye, guys.